Now we have present perfect continuous. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस का स्ट्रक्चर है हैव हैज प्लस बीन प्लस वुड बीन इन फॉर्म. मैं रिपीट करूंगा, मैं कहता हूं आपको कि मैं कंपैरिजन में आपको पढ़ाता हूं. क्यों? जब आप प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस का स्ट्रक्चर आपको पता चलेगा, यू कैन इजिली मेक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस एंड द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. सी प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस, सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैव हैज प्लस बीन प्लस वुड बीन इन फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ सेंटेंस. एग्जाम्पल्स में आपको यहां देता हूं. आई हैव बीन प्लेइंग ए गेम, वी हैव बीन प्लेइंग ए गेम, यू हैव बीन प्लेइंग ए गेम, दे हैव बीन प्लेइंग ए गेम, ही हैज बीन प्लेइंग ए गेम, शी हैज बीन प्लेइंग ए गेम. तो दिस इज सब्जेक्ट जब थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर है वर्ब के साथ, उस वक्त हमें हैव या हैज लगता है सब्जेक्ट के साथ. सॉरी, हैज लगता है व्हेन सब्जेक्ट इज थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर. व्हेन सब्जेक्ट इज अदर देन थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर देन वी यूज हैव. दिस वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरीज है एग्रीमेंट ऑफ वर्ब विद सब्जेक्ट. अब इसको नेगेटिव बनाना आसान है. वी विल यूज नॉट आफ्टर हेल्पिंग वर्ब. यहां मुझे हैव हैज एक है, बीन है दूसरा, तो the helping verb which is nearest to subject we use not after that helping verb. Okay, so I write here subject plus have has plus not plus been plus verb in form plus object plus remaining part of sentence. For example, I have not been playing a game, I have not been playing a game, you have not been playing a game, they have not been playing a game, he has not been playing a game, she has not been playing a game. He or she के साथ has, बाकी के साथ have. This is agreement of verb with subject. I have not का contraction है haven't. You can write I have not been playing a game or you can write I haven't been playing a game. इसी तरह interrogative हम बना सकते हैं with the help of affirmative. We will take this have has auxiliary in the beginning of the structure, then we write the remaining of the structure and the structure will end with note of interrogation. Have has plus subject plus been plus verb in form plus object plus remaining part of sentence. For example, have I been playing a game? Have we been playing a game? Have you been playing a game? Have they been playing a game? Has he been playing a game? Has she been playing a game? This is interrogative of present perfect continuous. Interrogative negative यहाँ negative की मदद से आप बना सकते हो. You take have has in the beginning of the structure, then you write the remaining of the structure. Have has plus subject plus not been verb in form object remaining part of sentence. Have I not been playing a game? Have we not been playing a game? Have you not been playing a game? Have they not been playing a game? Has he not been playing a game? And has she not been playing a game? This is all about present perfect continuous. Now, with the help of present perfect continuous, we can easily remember the structure of past perfect continuous. ये मैंने आपको बताया है कि present perfect continuous में अगर हमें have has है instead of if have has, if we write the past of have has that is had, तो बाकी ही रखेंगे been plus verb in form, that will be past perfect continuous. तो क्या है अब पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस का स्ट्रक्चर? सब्जेक्ट एफर्मेटिव स्ट्रक्चर में लेता हूं. सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड बीन, हैज बीन के बदले हैव हैज बीन के बदले अब हैड बीन प्लस इन फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ सेंटेंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैड बीन प्लेइंग अ गेम, we had been playing a game, you had been playing a game, he has been playing a game, she had been playing a game, they had been playing a game. हर एक सब्जेक्ट के साथ had लगेगा. ओके, तो इसको इस एफर्मेटिव की मदद से हम आसानी के साथ इसका नेगेटिव बना सकते हैं बाय यूजिंग नॉट आफ्टर फर्स्ट हेल्पिंग ऑक्सिलरी. सब्जेक्ट प्लस had not plus been in form of verb plus object plus repast. ये है ना I had been playing a game, तो इसका नेगेटिव है I had not been playing a game. I had not been playing a game. इस तरह मैं लिख सकता हूं we had not been playing a game. You had not been playing a game. He had not been playing a game. She had not been playing a game. And they had not been playing a game. This is negative of past perfect continuous. With the help of affirmative, we can make it as interrogative. Interrogative हम कैसे बनाएंगे? We will take this had in the beginning of the structure. Then we write the meaning of the structure. Subject plus been in form of verb plus object plus remaining part of sentence. For example, had I been playing a game? Had we been playing a game? Had you been playing a game? Had he been playing a game? Had she been playing a game? Had they been playing a game? Then we make interrogative negative. Negative की मदद से we can make interrogative negative. We'll take this had in the beginning of the structure. Then we write the remaining of the structure. That is subject not plus been in form of verb plus object plus remaining part of sentence. I had not been playing a game. So I write, had I not been playing a game? इसी तरह had we not been playing a game? Had you not been playing a game? Had he not been playing a game? Had she not been playing a game? Had they not been playing a game? Or the short form of had I not is hadn't I. क्योंकि contraction of had not is hadn't. The contraction of had not is hadn't. So we can write had I not been playing a game, or we can write hadn't I been playing a game. Okay, लेकिन अगर आप had not I लिखोगे that is wrong. जो मैंने आपको इससे पहले भी बताया है. अब लास्ट है हमें स्ट्रक्चर इसमें दैट इज फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. देखो कैसे कंपैरिजन में हमें याद रहता है हैव हैज प्लस बीन प्लस वुड बीइंग फॉर्म प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस इंस्टेड ऑफ हैव हैज इफ आई राइट हैड प्लस बीन प्लस वुड बीइंग फॉर्म इट बी पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. अब इंस्टेड ये जो है ना हैव हैज प्लस बीन प्लस वुड बीइंग फॉर्म इसके सामने अगर मैं शैल विल करूंगा यूज तो ये बन जाएगा फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. शैल विल प्लस हैव हैज के बदले हमने लिखा हैव बीन प्लस वुड बीइंग फॉर्म that is future perfect continuous. See affirmative form it is subject plus have has been in form of verb plus object plus remaining part of sentence. For example, subject plus shall will plus have subject plus shall will plus form of verb plus object plus remaining part of sentence. Say for example, मैं लिख सकता हूं I shall have been playing a game. We shall have been playing a game. You will have been playing a game. He will have been playing a game. She will have been playing a game. They will have been playing a game. इस तरह इसका आप नेगेटिव बना सकते हो. In after first helping verb auxiliary you will use not. आप नॉट करोगे यूज सब्जेक्ट प्लस शैल विल प्लस नॉट प्लस हैव बीन इन फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ सेंटेंस. यानी मुझे आई शैल हैव बीन प्लेइंग अ गेम तो इसका नेगेटिव बन जाएगा आई शैल नॉट हैव बीन playing a game. I shall not have been playing a game. We shall not have been playing a game. Or I shan't have been playing a game. You will not have been playing a game. He will not have been playing a game. She will not have been playing a game. They will not have been playing a game. So this is the negative of future perfect continuous. इसी तरह आप इंट्रागेटिव बना सकते हो. तो यहाँ shall will हम बाहर निकालेंगे. Shall will जब मैं बाहर निकालूंगा, then I write the remaining of the structure. That is subject plus have been plus ing form of verb plus object plus remaining part of sentence. तो फिर you can make last note of interrogation. Shall I have been playing a game? Shall we have been playing a game? Will you have been playing a game? Will he have been playing a game? Will they have been playing a game? इसी तरह हम इंट्रोगेटिव नेगेटिव बना सकते हैं. तो इसको मैं ले लूंगा इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर. शैल विल को वहां क्या रहेगा? सब्जेक्ट प्लस नॉट, हैव बीन प्लस ing form of verb plus object plus remaining part of sentence, and the structure will end with note of interrogation like shall I not have been playing a game? Shall we not have been playing a game? Will you not have been playing a game? Will he not have been playing a game? Will she not have been playing a game? लेकिन याद रखना, shall I not have been playing a game या shan't I have been playing a game. अब लास्ट में 1 मिनट में पूरे टेंस जो है इनके स्ट्रक्चर से आपको रिपीट करूंगा. प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट में वर्ब होता है बराबर वर्ब इन फर्स्ट फॉर्म. Instead of verb in first form, if we have verb in second form, that is past indefinite. अगर verb in first form के सामने में shall will करूंगा use, it be future indefinite. Shall will plus verb in first form, it is future indefinite. इस तरह present continuous, सिर्फ ये आपने याद रखना present continuous. Is am are plus verb in form, it is present continuous. अगर is am are के बदले में was were लिखूंगा, was were plus verb in form, तो it be past continuous. अगर इस एम आर पर फर्क के सामने में शाल विल करूंगा यूज, शाल विल प्लस इस एम आर के बदले में बी लिखूंगा प्लस वर्ब इन फॉर्म, इट इज फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस. इस तरह सिर्फ प्रेजेंट वाले हमने याद रखने हैं, ये दो आपको खुद आएंगे. अगर हैव हैज प्लस वर्ब इन थर्ड फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, इंस्टेड ऑफ हैव हैज आपने हैड लिखना है प्लस वर्ब इन थर्ड फॉर्म, इट इज पास्ट परफेक्ट. इसके सामने आपने शाल विल करना है यूज, शाल विल प्लस हैव हैज के बदले आप हैव लिखोगे प्लस वर्ब इन थर्ड फॉर्म, इट इज फ्यूचर परफेक्ट. और आज हमने किया है हैव हैज प्लस बीन प्लस वर्ब इन फॉर्म, इट इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. अगर हैव हैज के बदले में हैड लिखूंगा फिर यही लिखूंगा बीन प्लस वर्ब इन फॉर्म, इट बी पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. अगर इसके सामने में शैल विल करूंगा यूज, शैल विल हैव हैज के बदले हैव लिखूंगा मैं प्लस been plus verb in form, so it is future perfect continuous. With it we completed structures of tense. Inshallah in my next topic we will discuss usage of tense. Thanks.